Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so first things first, the elephant in the room. Yes, I am going back to blonde hair. I am a natural blonde. I've only had black hair just because I thought it looked really sexy and fun, and I just thought that you could dress it up really well. Well, I'm kind of getting into this phase of my life where I just want things to be natural and easy and fun, and I'm just going back to a more natural hair color for me just so I can save money and I don't have to go get it done as often. I want to try to get back to my natural roots. And so that is where we're going with this. So far I'm loving it. It gives me new life. So anyway, well, I wanted to do this video today because there's so many artists out there that are just so good at makeup, and when I'm on the treadmill at Planet Fitness, I will actually put like eyeshadow tutorials on, and I would just like be so amazed at how great these girls are and how they make things blend the ways that I cannot do. And I don't care if I sit down and do it like every day. I don't have the eye shape for a lot of these looks that the girls are doing. So I wanted to show you that an everyday mom in their 30s, somebody who has like a little bit heavier lids like I do, that kind of want to sit down over the years on top of your eyes, I wanted to show you that you can make pretty looks with very minimal products. So I used two eyeshadows in this. I used a matte peach and I used a metallic blue. These two eyeshadows, I just think they balance each other so well. This is a lot brighter. This one is a lot brighter in person than it is on camera. I can see this is like a super bright peach. It's so pretty, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this makeup look with only these two shadows and only two brushes. So if you want to see this eye makeup look, then just stay tuned. Okay, I'm going in with just a round fluffy brush with the shade Centerfold, and this shade is one of the single shadows by ColourPop. I thought this was a great shade because it was that perfect mix of like peachy pink, and I think that color sets off the blue so well. So I put that on a fluffy brush and I'm just lightly rolling around on the outer third of my upper part of my eye. And basically that's all you do for that, is you just kind of keep applying it very softly so it doesn't get too overbearing or too harsh or going down on the lid. It's just staying right where you want it, and you're just kind of lightly applying it over and over until you get it built up to the shade that you want it to. See how I keep dipping back in? Like, I probably dipped about 3 times before I finally got it to where I liked it. Okay, now I'm using my finger and I'm going in with one of the foiled shades from Makeup Geek. This shade is called Pegasus. I've owned this shade for a very, very long time. Anytime I want my eyeshadows to pop, I always use the Makeup Geek foiled shadows. I go back to those. I've had them forever. I'm surprised that they still hold up, but they do. So I go back to those. I'm using my ring finger to apply it. And I did not use anything at first to apply it. I just put the shade down with my finger, and then I get some more, and then I use the MAC Fix Plus to just deepen it up. You're going to see how it makes it pop. So I just tap that on. I don't want to move the product. I just want to tap that over where I've already put it, and see how now it just looks very shiny when the light hits it. And so you can do that if you have MAC Fix Plus. I love MAC Fix Plus. It just fixes everything. And then I'm taking the peachy shade and just putting it on a little pencil brush because my eye is deep set, so I lose a little bit of color in the crease. And so I just took that brush and just lightly went over the blue and peach, and it just kind of covered it, like covered where my eye crease is. Now I'm going in with the Kat Von D Trooper liner. I'm just lightly lining my eye. I'm not going too far with the wing or anything. And I left this part in there because I wanted to show you that I'm not very good at eyeliner, but the tattoo liner makes it so much easier that I can't find anything that I like as much as Kat Von D Trooper liner. It's so good. And I'm going to just wing it out just a little bit so it doesn't look thick and ugly on the end of it. So that's what I did.
Alright, hold on and I'll be right back with the finished look.
Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to really try to dedicate more time to my channel. My internet hasn't been working, so I haven't been dedicating a lot of time to my channel. And I'm ready to get back to it, even if that means I have to go, like, use somebody else's internet to upload. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to be thankful every day for your life and your health and your happiness, and be thankful for Jesus Christ for dying on the cross in our place so that we don't have to carry the burdens of our sins around. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.